Hello, girls and boys. Welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving the problem number 10 in exercise 1.5. And check out the playlist in English. You can find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It would be helpful for you. Now, we can read the question. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of t is called a linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition principle given by C of AT1 plus BT2 equal AC of T1 plus BC of T2, where A, B are constants. Show that the circuit C of t equals 3t is linear. This is the question. Actually, what we need to prove? We need to show that the circuit C of t equal 3t is linear. So here, this is given. Okay. We are going to solve this LHS first. After solving that, we'll be solving this one. We'll be getting equal answer. So that this C of t equal 3t is a linear. This is all about the whole concept. Okay. Here the question is, we need to prove that C of t equal 3t is a linear. So that what we have to do is, we need to find out the answer of LHS and then RHS. If both values answers are equal, we can say this circuit is a linear. That's it. Now we are getting into the solution, and for the solution I have written the given expressions. These two expressions are given in the question. Okay, this and this. Here we are going to prove the answer of this and this is equal. Okay, based on this expression, we can take this as equation number 1. By comparing these with this equation, we'll be getting the answer. Okay, now I am taking this as LHS, that is left hand side. This is RHS. Now, what is LHS here? LHS is C of A T1 plus B T2. So, this is LHS. Here, we should compare this with this equation. We are going to simplify this. So, just compare this equation with this equation. Here, we are having C, and also here we are having C. Here we are having T. Here AT1 plus BT2. Instead of T, we are having AT1 plus BT2. Okay. So, C of T equals 3T. So, how we can write this LHS? We can write C of T is 3T. Okay. This is the given thing. By comparing this equation with this equation, we can write 3 into T value is this one, right? Instead of T only, we are having this. Okay, AT1 plus BT2. So we can write, according to this equation, we can write 3 of AT1 plus BT2. Right? We can write like this. Okay, just we have compared this equation with this equation. Okay, so if you are multiplying 3 with 81, we'll be getting 381. And if you are multiplying 3 with BT2, we'll be getting 3BT2. Okay, this is the simplification of LHS. Okay, next we should simplify RHS. What is RHS? This is RHS, right? RHS equals AC of T1 plus BC of T2. This is RHS. And again, we should compare this equation with this equation. Okay. Before that, we can check this LHS answer as equation number 2. Okay. Now, for our RHS simplification, we should compare this with this. Here, we are having C of T equal 3 of 3T. So, we can write A here, C of T1. Here we are having T1. Here we are having T. So, C of T value is 3T. So, how we can write C of T1? We can write 3T1, right? 3T1. And we can write this one. We are having this value, right? CT. CT value is 3T. But instead of T, we are having T2. So, we can write 3T2. Okay. Just we are writing A and just applying CT value. What is CT here? 3T. So we can write 3T1. And we are writing B here, constant. B, A and B are constant. Constants that's given in the question. And CT value is 3T, 3T2. So if you are writing number in first, we'll be getting 3AT1 plus 3BT2. This is RHS. We can take this as equation number 3. Check whether this equation number 2 and 3 is equal or not. 381, 381, 3BT2, 3BT2. These are equal. So, from 2 and 3, this C of T equal 3T is a linear. This is the answer. How we can write the answer? From 2 and 3, C of T equal 3T is a linear. Okay, this is the answer. This is very simple. We are just comparing the given equation. Okay, we are just comparing the given equation with LHS and RHS. That's it. What we should do? We should simplify LHS first and then RHS by comparing this given expression. We'll be getting the answer is same. So we can write the answer is from 2 and B, C of T equal 3T is a linear. This is very simple. Just understand the concept and try to do. That's it for this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends for more updates. Subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.